Each day, your margin for error shrinks, while the need for throughput grows. You're being pressed between high customer demands and fewer skilled workers, inflated costs and tighter budgets, faster speeds and stricter compliance. Each challenge on its own is tough, but all together at once, it's a lot. Which is why you need the right strategic allies by your side. Partners who can help you maximize throughput and minimize defects. Who can augment your workers, enable you to make smarter, data-informed decisions, and automate your workflows. One of those allies you want in your corner is Zebra. Whether your biggest goal is increasing production throughput, improving operational agility, or raising the bar on quality and compliance, we're here for you on your digital transformation journey, ready to help build for tomorrow without compromising on today. Because we know that reaching your most profitable production is a long-term vision, and together we'll get you there.